Mr. Quayson's legal team, represented by Justin Teriwaja, told the court the ongoing day-to-day schedule of proceedings in view of his role as a legislator means he's not getting reasonable time for his trial. He also pointed out that the prosecution had failed to furnish them with a full complement of documents to be used in a trial. Attorney General Godfred Yeboah-Dame disagreed and urged the court to dismiss the case. He explained that the said constitutional provision on reasonable trial time was unambiguous and did not require any referral for interpretation. He explained to the court that lawyers for the legislator were rather placing an absurd meaning on a clear provision. The court, presided over by Justice Mary Yanzu, ruled that a case meriting referral to the Supreme Court had not been made. Mr. Quayson's legal team say he's not getting a fair trial.
What I can tell you is that he's satisfied with the work of his lawyers. He knows that his lawyers are doing all that they can to give him representation which is of qualitative effect. So as for what the judges do, we'll leave it to the judges and we'll leave it to the good people of this country to look at. But I can tell you that he's more than satisfied with the work of his lawyers.
I mean, at the core of the application has been the issue of a fair trial. Does he believe he's getting a fair trial?
He doesn't believe that at all. He thinks that his hands are being tied at the back and thrown into a boxing ring. He thinks that when disclosures have not been fully made, the trial cannot proceed. So for the court to think that half disclosure is enough for him to continue with his trial smacks of tying somebody's hand and throwing him into the boxing ring.
The Attorney General's office disagrees.
We disagree with them. We are in a court of law. They filed various processes. You can count. All the applications they filed, they've lost. Why? Because they were not in court to talk law, but to talk sentiments. And we must also take it that the court is not meant for sophistry. You may want to put up all the intelligent and nice, whatever, but you must stick to the law. And this is what we've been doing. Today, as they may be happy that we've adjourned the matter, Friday will be in court. Whatever step that they take, the state is ready to follow them. We are always a step ahead of them because today you saw what happened. They wanted an adjournment because they didn't want to move the motion, but he said, fine, we are ready with the law, but even not the facts. We stuck with the law and we got the results.
The case is back at the High Court on July 28, but Mr. Quayson's legal team will be at the Supreme Court on Thursday in a fresh push to halt proceedings.